Recall that insulation is a covering that goes around a conductor. The insulation protects you and the equipment from the charge on the conductor. Insulators have a very high resistance. The high resistance prevents current from passing through the insulator. Electrical wires are almost always covered with an insulator. There are several types of insulators that are used with wires. For example, you may see insulators made of plastic, rubber, and PVC. Insulation prevents the conductors of wires from touching. If two conductors unintentionally touch, then you create a short circuit. Short circuits can damage electrical equipment. The insulation also protects you from electrical shock. If you accidentally touch a live wire, the insulation will prevent the electricity from flowing into you. In this module, you learned about common types of insulators and conductors. Conductors allow us to carry electricity through materials. Insulators prevent current from flowing.